want to surf?
Yes, I do.
She a surfer now.
Thank you. Hit them up if you guys go to Sayulita and want to learn to surf. Good morning. We're heading to the playa to surf. Today is surfing day.
We're also going to visit the biggest market in Nayarit today. Wow.
It only happens on Sundays. So today is a Sunday. Quite lucky. I think it will take us about 30 minutes to get there. Vamos! Made it in La Cruz. This is the entrance. You have to wear a mask for you to enter the market. So this is the entrance. Thank you. There's a lot of cute stuff here, huh? Hola, señorita. Hola. Let's see if we can find something that's small and nice, because I can't really carry that much stuff. Oh, these are so nice. Look at this, you guys. I see a lot of decorations. Mexico is such a colorful country. Ooh. Okay. Kind of like this dress. See a lot of local artists here. Actually, some people are also from different parts of the world.
Yeah.
It's a nice way to showcase a small business here in Nayarit Riviera.
Ava loves this type of jewelry. They're really beautiful. Look at that.
How much is this?
Beautiful. Yeah, girl.
Cute.
Yeah. I was thinking. Oh, that was nice.
This looks like
a It's mine.
Oh.
100 pesos, guys. Love the strap. I even would buy it just to get this.
And Martin is looking for a camera strap.
Could it fit there?
Oh yeah.
That's so cool, eh?
We have reached the food section of this market. Pretty hungry because it's already lunchtime. Some strawberries.
Wow. Maybe a chicken empanada.
Yeah. Got some crema de coco. Alright, we bought some machete.
It was 120 pesos for two.
Oh, okay.
So that's a pretty good price.
Yeah. Try it out. Oh.
Ava is buying a hat, sombrero. I think she looks really good.
Hey guys, time to leave. Howdy.
Ava's got a hat and I got a little new wallet.
I got this for 300 pesos and this one is for 130 pesos. I can put my stuff here, like sort of a wallet. 5-10 minute walk from La Cruz Market. We are here at the second one. It's at the Pueblo. This is a smaller market, but I can see that there are more local vendors here than the one earlier. Yeah. We're going to a surf spot called La Lancha. This is where we parked our van and the meetup spot. A lot of surfboards. Okay, this is the road that leads to La Lancha. Oh, there's crocodiles. Oh no. They said there's a crocodile here. So you better watch out, Martin.
You know what crocodile is in Spanish?
What?
Crocodela.
Is that true? You can hear the sound of the waves. Oh, she's pretty. Oh wow. So nice. We're here in La Lancha Beach. I think this is my favorite beach so far here in Nayarit. I don't know, because the sand is clearer or whiter and the water is bluer on this side. Looks so nice here. I'm gonna go over in that area and check it out. I think the waves aren't too high as well, so it's a great spot for beginners like me. Pretty chilly. Hello, my surfer boy. How was it? You caught good waves?
In the water. Yeah. You want to surf?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
I was waiting for you.
The girls are just like,
Yeah.
you should go out.
Yes.
She has surfer now. She has surfer now.
How's it going? Having fun?
Actually, yeah.
Yeah, you're doing so good.
Thank you. I'm having a good day.
Oh my god. I just finished surfing. I'll probably surf for an hour and a half or two. My eyes are not so nice.
So proud of you.
Can you hold for a bit?
Yeah.
I'm wearing eye contacts. A lot of you guys are wondering how I can see when I'm swimming, diving. I wear eye contacts. The empanada we bought earlier. Sweet lang. Thank you so much, Carlos, right? Carlos of Sayulita Surf School and Sergio. Thank you. Hit them up if you guys go to Sayulita and want to learn to surf.
Blueberries on the beach. Oh, sorry.
Oh, wow.
Further.
Higher. Oh! That was fun. Bye-bye, Lalacha. I'll see you soon. Bye! That was so much fun. I haven't surfed like that in a while. Now we're gonna walk through this jungle again. It's pretty flat, but I would recommend for you guys to Google it before you actually go here, because it can be quite confusing. There are no tracks at all or even signs. There's a lot of signs that there might be some crocodiles around, so I wouldn't suggest if you... I don't think it's smart if you go here on your own.
Exactly.
I think you should be at least with 2-3 people. It's pretty jungly.
Yeah. What's up, guys?
Hi. The paths are uneven. You can easily get lost if you don't see some people. By the way, to get here to La Lancha, you need to drive a motorbike or a car to get here. So it's not walkable from Punta de Mita. Well, it is, but it will probably take you 30 minutes or 1 hour to walk. Depends on how slow you are, like me. I would definitely recommend to hire a driver or rent a car or a motorbike. I think that's the best option so that you can easily go around. There's really not much public transportation. I think there's Uber.
There is, but it's not really available.
Yeah.
Special places like this.
We forgot to give me ice cream. Patrice? Oui.
Her name is Patrice, real name.
Your real name is Patrice?
Yeah.
Wait, what? Your real name is Patrice?
Well, wait, no. Back in our Airbnb. Let me know if you guys want to know more about Mexico or what are the places that you want me to check out while I'm here in this beautiful country. Surfing in Mexico was pretty dope. The thing that I love about La Lancha Beach is that, or surfing in Mexico in general, is that there's not much reef. When we lived in Siargao in the Philippines, most of the surf spots are reef, so it's pretty difficult for me. The guys from Sayulita Surf School helped me a lot. That was so much fun. I'm gonna do that again. Thank you for watching this vlog, and if you like it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, share it to your friends, share it to your family, don't skip the ads. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next travel vlog. Bye!